Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part 8 of our French verb series. And if you haven't watched the earlier videos, I'll share the link in the description box. So, let's get started. First verb is envoyer. Envoyer is to send. Reconnaître, to recognize. Placer, to place. Lancez, to launch or to throw. Créer, to create. Risquer, to risk. Produire, to produce. Aider, to help. Partager, to share. And détester, to hate. Let's repeat once more, and you can repeat after me. First one is envoyer, to send. Reconnaître, to recognize. Placer, to place. Lancer, to launch or to throw. Créer, to create. Risquer, to risk. Produire, to produce. Aider, to help. Partager, to share, and détester, to hate. Let's discuss these verbs with the help of examples. And for your convenience, I have already mentioned these conjugation of these verbs in the description box. You can check that out for any confusion, right? So let's discuss. First verb is envoyer. Nous envoyons des lettres par la poste. La poste is by post. We send the letters by post. Nous envoyons des lettres par la poste. Correct? Or by post office also. Post is the post office also. Il envoie un email à son collègue. He sends an email to his colleague. Il envoie un email à son collègue. Right? Let's move to the second verb, which is reconnaître, to recognize. Je ne peux pas reconnaître son visage. Visage is face. I cannot recognize his face. Je ne peux pas reconnaître son visage. One more example for reconnaître. Ils se reconnaissent à la voix. Se reconnaissent each other. This is reflexive verb. Ils se reconnaissent à la voix. They recognize each other by the voice. Ils se reconnaissent à la voix. Right? Third one, placer, to place. Il place les livres sur l'étagère. L'étagère means shelf. He places the books on the shelf. Il place les livres sur l'étagère. One more example. Nous plaçons les chaises autour de la table. Table is table. Autour is around. We place the chair around the table. Nous plaçons les chaises with S. Chaises autour de la table. We place the chairs around the table. Correct? Lancer, to launch or to throw. Il lance le ballon loin de la Pâque. Loin is far. He throws the ball far into the park. Dans le parc. Il lance le ballon loin de la Pâque. One more example. Nous lançons des invitations pour la fête. We throw the invitation for the party. We throw the invitation for the party. Usually we give or we invite people, but I'm just trying to use this verb here. Nous lançons des invitations pour la fête. Then, créer, to create. Elle crée de magnifiques œuvres d'art. Artwork. She creates beautiful artwork. Elle qui de magnifique où est d'art. One more example. Nous créons un nouveau projet pour l'entreprise. We create a new project for the company. Nous créons un nouveau projet pour l'entreprise. I hope these verbs are clear. Let's discuss the next verb, which is risquer, to risk. Ne risque pas ta vie pour cela. Don't risk your life for this. Ne risque pas ta vie pour cela. Don't risk your life for this. Next, il risque de perdre tout leur argent. Perdre, to lose. They risk losing all their money. Ils risquent de perdre tout leur argent. They risk losing all their money. Right? Produire, to produce. Cette usine produit des voitures de luxe. The luxe is luxury. Voiture, car. This company or this factory produces luxury cars. Cette usine produit des voitures de luxe. One more example. Le soleil produit de la chaleur. The sun produces warmth or heat. Le soleil produit de la chaleur. Sun produces heat. Correct? Then, aider, to help. Je t'aide à porter les sacs. Sac is bag. Porter is to carry. I help you to carry the bags. The DOPIP here. Je t'aide à porter les sacs. I help you to carry the bags. Another example. Il aide les personnes dans le besoin. They help people in the need. Il aide les personnes dans le besoin. They help people in the need. Partager, to share. Nous aimons partager nos repas en famille. We like to share our meal as a family. Nous aimons partager nos repas en famille. Un exemple, ils ont décidé de partager les responsabilités. Passé composé. They have decided to share their responsibilities or share the responsibility. Ils ont décidé de partager les responsabilités. They have decided to share the responsibilities. Then last one, détester, to hate. Elle déteste les araignées, spider. She hates spiders. Elle déteste les araignées. And the last example is, nous détestons les retards. We hate delays. Nous détestons les retards. Delay. Or to be late. Nous détestons les retards. I hope these verbs are clear. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.